Hi everyone. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go wait for a couple more people come in. All right. Let's go see if I and then I'm gonna I get my account back and then I'll explain later how I did yesterday. And then I did a couple trades today on the open market, and I'm gonna show what's the difference between open market and um, OTC. So this one here, guys, OTC, right? Look, this one here, it's open market. That's why I have on my stop because I traded with Euro USD a lot. I know it's low, it's only 80-90%, but OTC it's pay more because you play with the system. All right, so it's different. All right, let's go. Let's go find something really good right here. Let me get my account side. Give me a couple more seconds, and then. So let's go. We're gonna. All right, let me find something really good so we can start trading. All right, Logan, user Sebastian. All right, guys, welcome to the live. So we're gonna start soon. I assume everybody it's up and running. So in the meantime, let me find something good so we can start trading. Let me. Hey Rocco, how are you? Good. Let me get those. All right, let me get a couple more minutes and then. I gotta turn it off my volume down so no complain. All right, let's go. Let's see if I anything good to trade. So it's a Friday, so we want to make sure we are green. All right, guys, let's go open position the next candle. So that will be the last week right there, and I think that candle try to get in. So we're gonna open position on the next candle. So we're gonna buy up. All right, so let's go wait. It's come down, so it's good. Let me put another resisting area right here. So he tried to break that area right here. So we're gonna buy up on the next candle. All right, let's go wait. 13 seconds. He break the first line, so probably the next one will be right here. You see the next resisting. So he break that one. So one, we're gonna buy up. Wait, I bought a $20 right there. If it come a little down, I'm gonna buy another one as a little pullback. Right there, two. So if I do martingale, I gotta do martingale $80. So let's go wait for that result. Let's go wait. So he break those supporting area right there. So let's go see if you're gonna respect and go up. Let's try to going up. Let's go wait. Now this is our real account, guys. Look, that's the demo account. That's the real account. All right, 16 seconds. So it's look like I'm gonna go martingale $80. That would be my first one. So I'm gonna wait. Let's go. Oh, it start going up. Perfect. So I don't think we have to do a martingale. Let me see. I gotta do only one. So because I just went half them. So let's go wait for this one here. It's really, really good. So yeah, the next resisting area will be right here, but I don't think that candle gonna come right here. So let's go wait for the price start going up. All right, 25 second, 32. All right, it's fighting right there, but I see right here a lot of pressure up, and I assume that candle will be green. So if not, I gotta take another martingale, and that's it. If I'm sorry, if I lose that one, I'm not gonna march. I'm gonna find another pair. Let's go wait. So now, guys, I'm gonna take another one. So this one here was lost. I hate OTC, man. That's what OTC. Look, guys, those are my trading, not OTC. Look, you see, Euro USD. You see now OTC. You see how when? So that's why I don't like OTC. It's OTC is not good, guys. It's you pray with the machine. It's not with the news or anything. That's what I don't like it, OTC. But I have to do the video so you guys can see. But that's why I have two separate accounts. One account I just trade OTC, and the other account I just trade like open market. So let me explain. This right here, it's OTC. You see, OTC. This one here, it's real. This one here with the green star, you see, with the star. This one here, it's open market. This one here, you can go set up your support and resist. It's request. It's open. You know, and buy and sell. You can take a look at the news, but when come OTC, guys, it's not good. All right, let me find something really good. All right, no, let me go from once. That's what nice pullback, but let's go wait. All right, let's go figure out. This one here, we got a very good opportunity to sell. Let's go wait and see if you're gonna break that resisting area right here. You see, the reason I put that line, it's because I got a command right there. So that's the second command. So I want to make sure that candle can break, and then we're gonna prepare to sell. Let's go wait. Yes, it's respect more in the real market. So I'll explain later. Let me. I'm gonna show you. This account right here, I just traded OTC. I'm gonna log out, and then I'm gonna log in to my other account, and guys can see. This account I just use to, you know, to do my videos. That's it. But I don't. But it's a real account. You see, that's the demo. That's the real. But I don't like to mix like a OTC and with yesterday I lost. Look. But I get it back today with the news. This one here is not OTC. Those winner was a news, but I lost right now because of OTC. But when the news come out, I get my money back. Yesterday I was almost $3,000 negative. I lost yesterday, but I got it back early today, early this morning. So let me. All right, guys, let's go open position the next candle. So it's resisting right there. I'm gonna sell on the next one, and let me put another line right here. All right, let's go wait. All right, so I'm gonna open position the next candle. Let's go wait. It would be better if that candle be green so we can sell. So let's go prepare for sell. 1, 2. I'm gonna sell on the pullback. I'm gonna wait a little pullback. I'm gonna wait for to be green a little bit. Right there. I bought a $80 right there. So let's go see if we're gonna respect that one. So I bought on the pullback. Let's go see. So I recover. Let me show you. You see this right here? Let me close it right here. You see it right there? That's open market today. So I get it back. I trading now OTC. I traded Euro USD. I traded 250 like 3 times, but I clicked 10 times for one trading. So that's why I got my money back today. But not OTC. The OTC, it's not good, guys. So the only reason I did it because I lost yesterday. Yeah, is that a gap down right here? That's a gap, guys. If people don't understand what the gap it is, so that's why I moved that line right here. Okay, so let me show something, guys. Let me turn it off. Just right here, this account, guys. Look, it's real account. This account right here, I just trading OTC. I'm gonna explain something what's important OTC open market. Let me log out to my account. All right. Let me just turn it off this my image because I'm gonna log into the other account. I wanna show you something, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me log into my other account and I want you guys to see something because it's that's the. Let me log into because I gotta put my password and my username. Okay, hold on. Let me log out. All right, guys, this right here, all right, let me turn around. All right, guys, this right here, it's my other account. All right, this right here, it's look, it's the real account, right? So I have $68,000, but when I traded open market. You see all my traded right there. See, I traded $1,000. But the only currency I traded to Euro USD. Okay, this one here was today too. Okay, so the only thing I don't trade, I have a 2 separate account. That's why, remember I told this one here, it's a beginner account. Look, every 3 months I delete my account because what happens, parking option, they keep a recorder you are trading. Remember I told you that? So that's why I have a 2 different accounts. It's not this one. It's a real account. That's the real account right there. All right. So that's why I have a 2 separate account. One account I just trading open market. Let me log out to my account and I'm gonna log in. So let me turn it up just for 1 second. All right, guys. That's why. So guys, you gotta be careful. If you trade with the parking option, make sure you have 2 different accounts. One account only to trading open market, right? And the other one to trading OTC. Okay, so this one is my other account, the one I traded right now with you. So that's why it's very important. Some people don't understand that, right? So it's manipulator when you're trading with the OTC. Well, that's why they don't ban me because I open my account every 3 months. All right, so let me, my indicator is this one here. I have a period with 20 and 2, right? And the style I like to have red on top, white on the middle, and green on the top, on the bottom, all right? So my static is the same thing. It's a 14-3-3. My style I like period 80-20, red on top and green on the bottom, all right? So that's I want to just clarify something, all right? So let's go back to the trade. So I want to make sure. So the other one, the begin account, because this one OTC I don't care. That's why I'm a master in that account right there. You see, but I don't care about the account. The account they keep recording me, so I don't care. So that's why sometimes it's tough. So I'm gonna open position this one here to buy up. No, OTC, it's you play with them, man. It's that's why. Let me take a position here first. OTC, you play. They control. Like for example, let's say the line right here gonna cross, right? you think just you and me know the line gonna cross? Of course not. Pocket option, no. So when you have a small amount, that's a little win. But see, if when someone put like $1,000, $2,000 for the price to go up, it look like they have a button right there, and they keeping kicking, and that's why sometimes they can't go all the way down. You know, it's not good, guys. You see right there, you see respect resisting. If it was open market, this right here, if you don't have no news, we will respect. You see right now, see that's not good. That's why OTC, you pray with your brain. You have to be smart with them. You see, I'm gonna go martingale again. I'm gonna click twice. I hope it's, yeah, you see, three, no, lock that one, I win. So remember when I spoke to you guys about the book? Let me show the book right here, guys. You have to get that book. Look, that book explain you everything. Let me load this. You see that book right here? Let me put this so you guys can see. So I'm giving that book for everyone. Look, I learned a lot of stuff about that book. See how resisting, support and resisting area. See, it's a command. See all those? So it's easy. It's a lot of pages. It's 232 pages, guys. It's like you have to learn a lot of stuff. But that book, it's really good. If you guys want the book, just go to my TikTok, the link in my bio, and click over there. Send me a message you want the book, and I can send the book. All right, and guys can study and take a look. Look, this one here. This one here, it's the same thing. Look, you have to learn what's a command. You know, this one here, it's two different type of command, red and green. This one here, it's a bearish command. This one here, bullish command. So you know, you have to learn about those stuff. You know, and then every time you learn about those stuff, you're gonna be in good shape, guys. So that's why you have to be careful. You know, so if you're gonna wanna learn how you can buy and sell, you see those indicator. This one here, it tell us like it's two defense line. Every time the weak touch and the other weak will be sell. So every time the break, stop right there, you know. So it's a lot of stuff, guys. If you really guys want that book, just let me know. I can send over. Go to my TikTok on my bio, send me a message over there, and then I'll send that book for free. All right. So let's go trade again. So I'm gonna have only a couple more minutes because it's Friday. I don't want to spend my time around here trading. So right now I'm in Miami. It's 1:50 right now p.m. So let's go. Yeah, it's free. Just send me a message and I'll send over. Yeah, Prime. The demo account and the real account, OTC, it's the same. Yes, that's they can manipulate it. It's all the same. But what happens is as soon as you start put your money in, what happens, I think, let's say you have 10 people right now trading just right here, right? Let's say the line you cross right there. Everybody gonna bet to come down. So I think pocket option know that, but they see the volume of the money. If you say someone put it in like a $3, $4, $5, $6, all right, they let her in. But when someone put like $1,000, $2,000, like I did, you know, yesterday, of course they're gonna press some kind of button. They go, no, let's go make that candle go green. You know, they go against you because let's say as soon as you put it right here, let's say $2, right, to trading. Believe me, I'm gonna win a lot because they don't care. But as soon as I change those for, let's say, $1,000, believe me, it's tough to win. They're gonna watch, you know. Because they know not only you think pocket options doesn't know those indicators. See those ball of the band, every time you touch on top, it's sell. Every time you touch on the bottom, it's buy. Of course they know. So that's why when I trade, I gotta trade with small amount, you know, so everybody can not this account. This account right here, guys, I just take OTC. That's only for me to do my videos. Like I show my real account, the other account, I just trading open market. I don't trading OTC on the other account because every time I send my signal, let me show right here. I send my signal. Most of my signals, it's let me show right here. All right, guys, this right here, it's my signal I send. So, but most of that signal, you see this right here, it's my Telegram channel. So if you're looking at, look, most of my signal, it's open. No OTC, except when it come out, you see, after 3 o'clock, but in the morning, it's fine. But on my signal for VIP, look, that's the VIP. That's when we start. Look, most of the signal I send early in the morning, see, it's open market. That's why I'm trading my other account only with the open market. You see, after 12 or 1 o'clock, you see my signal right here today, it's all open market because it's easy. See, right here, 10:26, that was my last signal. So because I was busy, but you see, this right here, it's all open. But after, look, when you saw a black lit sign, you see right there, it's OTC. That's why I put a be careful. It's OTC. You see, OTC. That was at night. You see, those today OTC. See the time? It's midnight, but a late 10:41. It's OTC because it's But my time, I use those signals to trade it good. And also, if you guys want more information, this one here, it's my Telegram channel. You guys can follow me over there, all right? And also, I got on my YouTube channel, so you guys can take a look, all right? So let me do a couple more trade, and then we're gonna get out of here. So let's go find something really good. So that's why I want to explain something. Yesterday, the reason I lost, because like I said, guys, I don't trust OTC. It's as soon as you put more money, you lose. Believe me. Yes, with the signal, it's good to trade with the 5 minute because you have more time, and also it's easy for open market to read every time come the news. So the only moment I send the news, when I saw the news, I take the news on userinvesting.com. So every time I saw the news, I post. So that's why the news today was not a lot of news today. So that's why I filter my signal every time I send to the group. Yeah, I will draw today. I will this right here. I will draw. I'm gonna leave it $3,000 right here. So I'm gonna withdraw 5. I'm gonna draw on the Telegram tonight on the group over there because some people have a question about how they will withdraw. Yeah, that one will be for Monday. Will be $3,000, $4,000 because and also my other account I will withdraw too. On my other account, I'll leave like $40,000 or $50,000 on my account, so I can pray because I traded like $1,000 for each time, so I have to leave more money on the other account. All right, let's go. If you guys find anything, so let me know. So we just take one trading. Let's go. If you guys want to help me to find any pair, I want me to take a look so we can trade out together. But guys, if you guys have opportunity, if you guys get that book, read that book. So I know some people spend a lot of time watching TV, movie. Believe me, take a look at that book and try to practice on the demo account. And believe me, you guys are gonna love that. Guys, I don't see anything good here. No, it's a real account. It's not demo account. Well, guys, why people? I want to see. Guys can read this on top. So a lot of people ask me, it's covered up, no one can see. It's a real account because for me right here, I can see clear, but I'm not sure because I'm not on my phone. I want to see if people can see that one. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that candle to be red, and then I'm gonna buy up. So we want to see if it can come down, and then I'm gonna place a trade to buy up. But I want to make sure it's break. Okay, Peter. All right, you can see. I don't know why people ask those questions. Let me see. Yeah, he tried to break. That's good. So let me move that resisting line right here now. See, right there. That's how you have it to move. Let's go see if you're gonna respect. And then don't forget the wick right there. Look, guys, that candle can come right here. Okay, but the reason I'm gonna put it right here because it's a double touch right there. And then I'm gonna wait, see if you're gonna go, and then I'm gonna buy up. Let's go away. I'm gonna buy up in the next candle. Well, how they can scam if they can see right there, and well, every time you see if you scan, it's simple. Ask people to reflect the page. Look, when you reflect the page, go to your real account. If you go to the demo account, if you refresh the page, go to your real account. Yeah, every time I saw it too, I asked, oh, if this is real account, can you refresh the page or show me your, because a lot of people, they are not like, all right guys, I'm gonna buy up, wait for confirmation. I'm gonna take one right there. And if you go down again, I'm gonna take wow, look at that. I take two right here. Wow, it's breakthrough. Believe me, a lot of people right there, maybe parking option, saw a lot of people put a lot of money right here because the line will cross, over bottom right there. And that's why it look like they have a bottom right there and keep it break the candle down. That's what happened yesterday with me, see? It's break, it's nothing here, guys. Look, it's empty. See, too far to go down. Let me see right there. So 6 here gotta be 120 now for martingale. So I'm gonna do on my open 120. Now I just go wait. Peter, you should go to the VIP group. Believe me, this way it's nothing what I tell over there. I have Zoom with the group with the big screen. Now with this one here, we just see a small screen, but I have a Zoom with the big screen, and we're gonna start take a question over there, and people tell me why did you sell this, why did you buy, and then I have some stuff on the Excel. It's money management, so I send those for those people, and they can go over there and take a look. Those are really good. All right, that was winner. I was prepared to martingale again, but let me go back to 20. No, that one's not looking good. All right. So if that candle come down right here, I'm gonna buy up. This right here, guys, it's a gap. You see, that candle, that green candle, supposed to start right here. You see where they come over? So if you touch on top one more time, I'm gonna sell quickly, but let's see. I'm gonna buy the next one up, but I'm gonna buy on the pullback. I'm gonna wait for a pullback, and then I'm gonna buy on a pullback. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna wait to be red. I take one here in the open. If you come down, I'm gonna take one more. I'm gonna wait. If you come right here, I'll take another one. Probably parking options hit us too, I think. All right. Yeah, Peter, hey Rocco, I'll send today. All right, guys, I'm gonna take another one right here, just in case, because that candle, it's trying to break it in. So let's go see if you're gonna respect and start going up. 12 second, because I think you're gonna hold. Perfect. That was nice pullback. You see, on the open market, it respects really clear. You know, and right here it's tough, guys. Sometimes you got some frustrated, you know. All right, let me take another one. I'm gonna give me 1 second. Well, because the reason I created the account every 3 months, because if you keep it reading on the time, if you mix your account with the OTC and open market, see this right here, it's open market. Those are good because this one is a can manipulator. This one is a can manipulator, yes. So I start losing on the time with the same technique I'm using, and that's why every time I winning, you know, and they keep recording my setup, and then that's why I delete my account. Not this one here, I keep this account, that's to do my video, but my other account I just show early, that's the main account, but that's the one I delete every 3 months. You know, if I have an open, no, I delete, because parking option, it's not stupid, guys. Look, it don't make sense. You see this line right here? I can see it. I can see, you can see, everybody one can see every time the line cross right there, it's down, right? Everybody wanna prepare to sell. You don't think parking option know that? They see, you know, those stuff too. But if you trade it like $20, a dollar, that's fine. They let it win. But as soon as someone put it in like $1,000 on OTC, believe me, guys, for some reason you're gonna press a button over there. That candle not gonna be red. It's gonna be green. It's start going up. That's why you lose. But when they trading like $20 like us right now, that's fine, you know. But as soon as they saw an entry like 500, you know, probably they have the amount. Or if someone bet 200 or 300, make sure, you know, they lose that bet. So that's what happened yesterday. Everything was fine, and start losing. I say, okay, but then I got it back. Look, I got it back with yesterday. Look, open market USD. Look, I wait for the news. I know the percent it's smaller, 89%. Believe me, but it's good. When the news come in, guys, it's better. Look, so that's how I make my money. I get my money back yesterday. Oh, it was today. I'm sorry. You know, so let me refresh my page now. Like, now you can use the same identification, but you have to change your email. And you can keep your name, your phone number, but you have to change your email. All right, let's go find something. On Google, all my email it's from Google. I'm from United States. I don't know about those other country, how they interfere on those other account, but my it's only I can create many account I want. All right, guys, if that candle coming right here, so we can buy up. Let's go wait. Let me put a resisting area right here. All right, let me see. All right, if that candle come right here, see how many times it's touching right here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look. Well, let's see if we're gonna come right here, and then we're gonna buy up. Yes, the phone number right here, I use Google Voice phone number. I pay, I think $5 a month for Google. I have a suite account, so I can verify many times I want. For your country, I don't know, but US it's easy. I think I have more than 20 email so far. Alright, guys, you see this right here? It's very good. Let's go wait. It's break the line. See the line I just put it in. Let's go see if we're gonna break. Yeah, it's good. Let's go wait. And we're gonna buy up in the next candle, not that one, because we want to make sure the body with that candle break that line right there to be safe. We want the body, yeah, you want to make sure the body break, and then we're gonna buy up. Yeah, see, that's the one. See, the body break the line, that's good. But if it coming back right there above that line, it's not good. We got, you see, come back like that, we don't want to buy up. Yeah, we have to wait. Yeah, that's the nice position right there. But if he end like that, yes. So let me see. He tried to come in right here. See, the next one will be right here. See how many times try to touch. So I'm gonna open position the next candle. Probably have to do one martingale, but that's fine. So one, I just bought on the open. But you see, it will be more safe if that candle right here, the body, it's break that line. That will be more safe because that candle can break right now and stay below that line. So you see, that's what I want. The only reason I traded because I saw a pullback. So I hope you're gonna have the same pullback right there. No, Primus, they can't steal your money. No, if someone tell pocket options they can steal people's money, no, that's not true. I don't believe that. Any money you have over there, they have the obligation to give you back. They don't keep your money. All right, let's go see if you're gonna respond. If you're not, if I lose, I gotta go 40, but I think she's gonna go up. Good. That was nice. All right, it's another winner. Guys, it's Friday. My account it's positive right now, so I think I'm gonna stop right now. So maybe I'll come back tonight, but I got a lot of stuff to do it. And then if you guys need any questions, send me a message, and I'm gonna reply those stuff right now. And let me see right there, Rocco, send me another message over there too, because it's a lot of people. Make sure you put a Rocco money so I know that you, so I can send those stuff. All right, Peter, I'll see you later. But Peter, if you need any help, just let me know. Okay. All right, take care, guys.